Page 86, Prelude number 6. This one is in the key of B minor. B minor has 2 sharps, so make sure you can do the scale on B minor. 3/4 time. Let's go slow. It says presto, but let's go slow. Nice light wrist staccato at the beginning. Both hands. Here and here. That sforzando is a major accent. And that's really the right hand that we want to hear it. And then lift up. So it's just, you're still moderately loud here. It's only for that one note that's your sforzando. So it's again. That's E sharp is an F. Here I do it 3/2, but because I do a 4 here, they hit that. To me, that's awkward. I would prefer to do a 4 and then a 3/2. You decide on the fingering you want. That's all. And then you'd repeat that. Now here, I wouldn't separate this from the last measure. No, I would connect that there. Here, and 1/5 is 5. 5/2 here. Here. And you crescendoed up to a very loud. They've got an accent on the last note, in my opinion, is a redundancy. You're already very loud. You don't need to accent it. Just play it loud and staccato. So it's like boom, we're at the end, we're done. Yeah. Dynamic wise, moderately loud at the first, that's the right hand. And the sforzando. And you're staying pretty much moderately loud, except for the sforzando, until the very end when you go up to very loud. You're ending it very loud. Very loud, whatever. And then presto. Presto is about as fast as you can play. You got to be accurate, and the rhythm's got to be, those 8th notes need to be even. So what can you control? Because you're using these fingers for the, that's going to slow you down a little bit just because of that. I tend to want to slow down a little bit, but that says no. I tend to want to broaden that out a little bit at the end too. That's an interpretation thing. I mean, you do interpret the music, so that means sometimes you will slow down and speed up a little bit out of the interpretation, even though there's no marking in the music to do so. That's just the way music works sometimes. Now, it's not necessarily a dance. If this were a dance, then you wouldn't want to be speeding up and slowing down. It messes up the dancers. But if it's not a dance, then you have a little more freedom in the rubato that you use.